How to change an Instagram caption after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change an Instagram caption after posting it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Now, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile, simply find the photo or video that you want to edit and simply tap on it. Now tap on the three dot in the top right corner and from the pop-up menu simply select edit. Now simply update or rewrite the caption, and once you're done with that, simply tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And now wait for it to save and your new caption will be updated. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.